Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make flan without heavy cream. You have several excellent alternatives to achieve that classic, smooth texture. Evaporated milk is a fantastic choice for richness, while sweetened condensed milk brings both sweetness and body. For a dairy-free option, coconut milk works wonderfully, lending a unique flavor. Even whole milk can create a delicious, lighter flan. For a traditional taste without heavy cream, combine 1 12-ounce can of evaporated milk with 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Whisk this mixture with 4 large eggs and a teaspoon of vanilla extract until smooth. Pour the custard into your prepared caramel-lined mold. Bake it gently in a water bath, ensuring a consistent temperature for that perfectly silky flan. If you prefer a dairy-free flan, full-fat coconut milk is your secret ingredient. Use 1 5-ounce can, blending it with 4 large eggs and your preferred sweetener, like a half cup of sugar. A small pinch of salt will really enhance the flavors. Bake this custard in a water bath until the center is just set, giving you a wonderfully aromatic and creamy dessert. To ensure your flan is absolutely perfect, always strain the custard mixture before baking. This removes any air bubbles for a super silky texture. Avoid overbaking. The center should have a slight jiggle when gently shaken. Crucially, chill your flan completely for at least 4 hours or even overnight before serving. Finally, run a thin knife around the edge to help it release cleanly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.